A cucumber sandwich is perfect for a light, refreshing snack or tea time. It requires only a few simple ingredients, but delivers excellent flavor and a classic touch. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 8 slices of white or wheat bread, 4 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt, and pepper to taste, fresh dill or chives, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Begin by peeling the cucumber and slicing it thinly. If desired, you can use a mandolin slicer to achieve uniform thinness. Step 2. Place the cucumber slices in a colander, sprinkle with a bit of salt, and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes to draw out excess moisture. Afterward, pat them dry with a paper towel. Step 3. In a small bowl, mix the softened cream cheese and mayonnaise until smooth. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to the mixture for added flavor. Step 4. Lay out the bread slices on a clean surface. Spread a generous amount of the cream cheese mixture on each slice. Step 5. Evenly distribute the cucumber slices over half of the bread slices. If you like, add a sprinkle of fresh chopped dill or chives. Step 6. Top the cucumber-covered slices with the remaining bread slices, cream cheese side down, to form sandwiches. Step 7. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut off the crusts from each sandwich. Then, slice each sandwich diagonally or into small finger sandwiches as preferred. Step 8. Arrange on a serving plate and serve immediately. Enjoy your classic cucumber sandwiches with tea or as a delightful light snack.